Hey, you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I almost forgot to include y'all in me making my Ayurvedic hair conditioning. I'm just going to give you the recipe because I already put it together. We're going to do 2 to 3 tablespoons of shea butter, which I have not melted. You're going to have to melt it, double boil it. A half a cup of aloe vera powder, not a half, a quarter cup of aloe vera powder, quarter cup of amla powder, 2 teaspoons of brahmin, 2 tablespoons of hibiscus powder, 2 tablespoons of neem powder. With this mixture, you're going to mix it. I have to put my after I mix it and put my hot water, I'm going to put my shea butter in here. Right now I just did the powders. I'm getting ready to do my hot oil treatment. So once this is all mixed up, and then you're going to put your hot water, boil distilled water. You want it to cool for 5-10 minutes or whatever. Or you can just put the hot water, pour it in slowly. I'll show you guys the consistency of it. And then after that, you're going to put your 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of shea butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, 2 tablespoons of honey. And then you're going to put whatever essential oils you want: rosemary, peppermint, lemongrass, all of those goodies. And I'll be back to show y'all me mixing this. I hope I don't forget. If I forget, y'all, I'll redo this video. Oh, I sift my powders. Let me show you what I use. These are the tools I use. This is a very fine tea a very fine tea you put in your cup for your tea. And then I got my tablespoons. I just use this. This is a stand-up mixture thingamajiggy. This is my aloe vera. No, this is my neem. I have a big neem tree, which I've been using my own neem, but today I just opened this because I bought this last year. But anyway, okay, this is what I use. This is the company, don't know if they still around, but just find you some neem powder, have your treat. This is the aloe vera powder that I used. Listen, I'm not sponsored by these companies. I'm just showing you what I use. Same. This is the powders. I have powder on my hand. See, natural hair conditioner, repair split ends, seals. Now that I think about it, I believe this came in a pack. So this is the whole company. You can find any. I have other herbs that I have from other companies, but because I have this is what I bought last year. These things here that you see, I want to use them up. This amla powder, I bought this from a local Indian store. So that's what I paid. You can find this also you can find one on Amazon. This one you can consume internally, and that's it. And then the avocado, whatever oils you're gonna use. I did say avocado, but I'm talking about whatever oils you want to put in your mix. If you are allergic to if you're allergic to shea butter, because some people are, just use avocado oil or whatever oil that you like. Also use coconut oil or the fractionated coconut oil if you have an issue with that. So yeah, I'm getting ready to melt my shampoo from last week. I don't think I put a video up for that, but got a new recipe for that. See y'all on the next clip. Okay, you guys, I'm adding my hot water. That's been sitting for a few minutes. I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna mix. You're gonna mix in the water to the consistency that you're looking for. I'm just gonna scrape the sides. I might add a little bit more water. Okay, this is the consistency that I'm looking for. I'm gonna put in my shea butter, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, 2 tablespoons of about avocado oil, 10 drops of rosemary, 10 drops of tea tree, ten drops of peppermint, honey, 2 tablespoons of honey, and mix. Here's my mixed conditioner. I'm gonna put in my hair. It's gonna sit in here for an hour once I wash my shampoo out. This is so good, you guys. Your hair feels so moisturized after you wash your hair out. After you wash this out of your hair, the conditioner